Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable green privacy data on exit on X browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open X browser in your device, then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings, then tap on security and privacy. Next you can see the option of clean privacy data on exit. Turn on it by tapping on it. Next tap on OK. So this is how you can enable clean privacy data on exit on X browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.